Are you ready?
Ngiyasekela nokuphapha lesiya.
Sure boy, I'm outside. No bro, ngeke ngikwazi ungena, uyazi nje yakho. Ayilumi. Ngeke, sayithanda mina impilo yami. Angeke ngikwazi ungena mfethu, hayi. Ayimfana. Ngiyayisaba izinja. Ingigqolozele nje kuyimanje. Ay okay. Snoop Dogg of Thembisa. Aylum. Are you sure, Aylum? Yabona ukuthi ayilumi mfethu.
Array man, try it. My one of the things is just sitting around and playing, man. Come on.
Indaba pho ingibuke kanje.
It's easy, man. It's just looking at its own things. Arva.
Uba igama layo?
Danger. Oh. Array, yeah, chief. Array. How?
Mfethu.
Skits array, yeah.
Ayinamarabu.
Friend, that's ulume this thing. Come on.
Maybe it's because ibona inyama.
No, man. You're not even that tasty. Array, skits, man. Try it, man. Fete ka sweat next.
Utenjo njani ongalumi mfethu?
Skits, really array. This is a female dog, Joe.
Just
Black and white. Black and white. So lo utwa ga re je black and white lumile motho.
Amathini SPCA uyazi ngalenje le.
Last week he had a toothache. Hello me.
Manje amazinyo akhipheleni.
Array, chief.
Okay, hamba phambili.
G.O.D. the only thing keeping me alive. If I O.D. it is okay, it's been hell of a lie. G.O.D.